Headed to the rain park today. We're going to do a little cleanup with a bunch of people. Also going to be people at the duck pond doing like cleanup, putting my stuff in. These are my trusted tools for the cleanup: a weed whacker and a shear, the shear thing. It's make things a lot easier. I've got 4 batteries. Nice day, sunny. All right. Oh, here we are. It is, what's today's date?
It is March 17th. It's St. Patrick's Day, and we're kicking off the spring season of stewardship at the duck pond in the rain park.
That's right. And who are you? Who are you?
I'm Bill Haskins. I'm the chairman of the South Orange Environmental Commission and Green Team.
Yep.
And who are you?
I don't know anymore. I don't know who I'm Neil Chambers. I'm guess I'm a member at large.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Definitely at large. So what are we doing here today, Neil?
So we are gonna, let's turn around. We can see so this is the rain park. We're gonna cut all the stuff back. We're gonna rake it off. We're going to, so it'll be ready for seeding in about probably 3 or 4 weeks.
3 or 4 weeks?
Yeah.
So we're going to be back here on April 7th. Is that going? Are we going to be able to seed it on the 7th?
We'll see how the weather's going, because it's been really mild this winter.
Right.
So if we are seeing a couple of weeks or so of above freezing temperatures, I think the seed will be fine. We could probably seed today and it would be okay, but there's a couple of warm days just ahead, and it might confuse the seeds to start germinating, and then if it drops to below 0, they'll all die. So we're going to wait just a little bit longer.
All right, cool.
And then in the other ground, what you can see as well is all those people in the background. What are they doing?
They're cleaning out the duck pond, the benthic layer. So what we can reach from the edge without going in, they're basically removing like 6 to 12 inches of leaves that have built up on the ends, and also getting the garbage out of there and stuff like that too.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Cool.
That's cool. All right. Cool. There's the pond, and then there's the river. See how far that outflow goes? We're gonna go see the outflow. So this is the outflow. This is where
don't put your phone into the water. It might get eaten.
And you can smell it. Can't you smell it?
Oh my! Oh no! Oh my God! What do you smell?
Well, they're stirring up all that stuff, so you can smell it. And then that flows down into the river. And that river will go to the ocean. This is the river. There's the river. There's the outflow.